when it comes to platform you can use to receive verification code. I think there are many platforms on the internet, but at the end of this video there are two of these which you can scroll to that talks about the paid one. But starting from here, we have the free one, and one of the free platforms you can get verification code, it's the is the PVA pins. But you already know there are limits to this. There are limits to this, so we're going to start one after the other. The first one here is eSIM Plus, and this eSIM Plus seems to be a good platform, though I've not used it, but you can give it a try and move around it and see how this platform works, which is called eSIM Plus. They have a virtual phone number. You can download the app and go around it and see. You see, you can pay. That means they will have some number you can buy, which I call the VIP numbers. You need this. All those numbers are beautiful because there are things you want to do. You need to get them. But look at how high. But this is annual fee. I don't think this is fee for the month. I think this is a monthly fee. It's here. We have that of $8 if you want a particular one. And if you move on to the next one, which is called smspool.net, around it we have numbers you can buy as low as 0.16. I think this is very cheap. Very cheap. Let's click on order now. I think the next step they want to take you is for you to log in with your stuff, or you can come around and log in with your Telegram or Apple ID. But above all, you can go around it and put your card and you cool with it. That's how to get this, and it's very cheap. What is 1 cent? It's nothing. But what if you want to get other countries? I mean, that would be your next question, like Turkey. You want to get Ireland and all these platforms. How do you go about it? That is why you have to check other platforms that offer wide range of service countries. And so we're going to go to this next one, which is called smsman.com. That is the link above there, smsman.com. Here they have countries like United States, China, and all that. If you come around here, they have 292 pieces of the phone number you can have access to. And I think when I click on that, it's going to come up and we just play around it and see what he offers. And two I'm really going to talk about. So from here we have many service. Okay, so let's just wait. We have Nigeria. You can use Facebook. The cost for this to receive SMS is 0.12. I don't want you to be confused. When you hear the word receive SMS, what it really means is when you click on the part, this number, let's say you receive number, you want to receive number, you want to create Facebook account, and you're Nigeria, you need a Nigeria number, and you click on receive SMS. That moment you receive that code, that number become useless. What I mean is the 0.12 expires. If you need another number again, that means you're going to pay another 0.12. So your platform, the platform you're creating your account with, really matters. If this platform that needs you to always log in with the phone number, you won't want to go for this. You want to go for a monthly based subscription, and that's what we'll talk at the end of this video. You can scroll to it and see that video. Now the next one here you can create is called the pvapins.com. I think you can see the website, and they offer some temporary phone numbers. If you click on it now, it's going to tell you people have used it, but you already know that this is really open to everybody. Everybody can use it. It's not VIP numbers. These are not private numbers. And you see another person has used it 3 seconds ago to create Amazon account, and they got it. So you can play around here, and this you can move around from here. You scroll down, click the countries, no number found for this country, click on Canada, and we scroll down. These are the free numbers for Canada. You can play around it and use. I think this is totally free. Then the second one here, it's online sims. Online sims offers some beautiful free number you can use. onlinesim.io. You move around, you log in or you sign up, then you go around. You can pick your country. Let's say you're looking for Italy, you can just put Italy, which their country code is +39. You click on it and you have some free numbers you can play around, copy, and you copy this number. For example, you move around here and you refresh this number. Then we have the next on the list, more two of these portals, and we are done with this video. We have the United States. I don't use this, so you can give it a try and see. Let's just move on to the next phase of it. We have Twilio. I think this is cost effective. It's expensive, it's expensive. You want to try this. I think this one, we want to try this one, which is smsman.com. You want to try this online SMS. They have their pricing. You can check pvanspin.com. Then we'll come to this other one, which I love very well. This one is called greasysms.com. The beautiful part of it, it's you can, like now I've topped up my balance. You can see from here I have 11.78. So if you click on top of balance, it's going to take you directly, and you can pay through your bank. If you're an Indian, you can pay through this Nigeria. I've used this platform, but I always tell you these are temporary code. They don't give you they don't maintain the phone number for you. Immediately you're done, you have activated the number, it's useless. For example, if you check all my activations from here, let me check my activations. If you scroll up here, and I think received numbers, okay, I've used this to create them as an account, and from here I chose this country, and they send me a code. If you click on get new number, immediately they will debit you from here. Immediately you click on get new number. If you move around here and I click on this, it's going to debit me immediately. But if I don't use it, they are going to refund it. They're going to refund it because I ordered for you. I clicked on Amazon before, or I clicked on cloud, or anyone you want to do any of this service. Remember, there are 2,392 service they offer. I think that's why these have a very wide range of service, and it's good, it's cheap. You can see Australia is 0.1 cent, Japan here it's $3.3. Just find a cheap one and go around with. Top up is very important. If you don't top up, you'll not be able to buy. So click on top up balance and just go around here and pick. If you're Nigeria, pick your own. The minimum is $3. That means you will deposit up to $3 before your top up will be effective. 3 and above. From here you can see, it seems all of them are just $3. And when you have that, I just have to top up close to $12, and it's cool. I've used it 2 of these numbers, and they have worked out for me. I think it's beautiful. Be careful you don't waste too much number. Then the last on the list is the Fanytel. Fanytel, it's a very great platform because they offer a monthly based subscription. If you want to create account like iTunes, you want to create account like Amazon, maybe you want to be receiving authenticator code from it, you can go around. To do that, you just have to sign up with any of these. And let me sign up. Let me just come around here. Fanytel, it seems I have that. I'm going to come to this Fanytel. You see my phone number here. I'm going to log out so that we start all the process. So you click on sign in with this, but first of all you have to agree to their terms and condition. Click on sign in with Google, and if you have Apple account, you can, the same process applies. So you're going to play around here. It's going to come up with all stuff. Sometimes these can be very stubborn because of the network. What I do sometimes is to go ahead and just pick a VPN around here and make it stronger. So I will just look for this urban VPN. Whatever VPN you're using, connect to it if yours is not working. So I'm going to pick United States and just be on the VPN so that my network I can access as fast as I can. So we have that ready. I'm going to reload this tab and let's see if it is faster. So from here I'm going to pick on sign in, click on this. Let's see if anything comes up as fast as we can. Okay, it's taking me directly to sign up the process. So from this we have this logged in. I'm going to pick in my Google account that I'll be using to sign up, and it might prompt me to click on code on my phone, and I'll do that immediately. I'll be logged in and we're good to go. So it says I should click on 81. I'm going to do that immediately. So now I'm going to get signed in. It's the same process apply if you're a first-time user. I'm not affiliated to this platform, so be mindful. Now from this, I've bought different phone number. For you to do that, for you to get phone number, just come around your account here, then click on credit and debit. It's going to take you directly to put in your debit card. Now from here, you're going to put the amount as low as $1. So I used to put $1, but I advise if you want to buy one phone number from USA, it costs up to $2. That's both the setup fee. So you're going to put $2. Sometimes you can put $3. It's no crime. You can use it all time. And when you go, let's say you put 9, for example, click on continue. Then if you click on continue, it's going to open to the next place where you have to verify your card, and after that you're going to pay. So it's going to bring me to the next interface where I can add my card, and if I click on inside, it's going to bring me, then fill in your details. From here we have pay with Google Card or GPay. If your country, if you support that, you can go to Google Pay and pay with it. But most time, put your Visa card or your Verve card or whatever card you have that really support this platform. So if you cool, after that you're going to have come to your phone number here and you have them ready. Now immediately you put this phone number at whatever platform you want, it's going to get you verified immediately. You might be wondering what's the name of this website. It's called webdialer.fanytel.com. That is the platform there, webdialer.fanytel.com. This platform is a great platform. I've used it. Time without number, you can click on get number. That's how to start get number. After you've topped up, then you come around here and you pick United States. Then you're going to pick the phone number of choice you want. You can even pick the city choice. Let's say you want Florida number, click on continue. You can see here we have monthly subscription 0.99 and we have total price of 1.998, so it's going to cost you total setup fee of 1.98, and you have your number for 30 days. I think it's best than other platforms I've mentioned here. But if you want something urgently, just want to verify that moment and forget about the number, you want to try Grizzly SMS. I think this is cheaper for if you don't want it to last for 30 days. Yes, then you can try out this platform, and at the comment section of my YouTube channel you can tell me. So at the comment section of this video, you can tell me, or you can chat me up if you want me to buy you a phone number, because I think Fanytel is great. I can even buy you a phone number like this number, for example. Let's click on phone number here. I can even transfer the phone number to you and you can use it. Let's go one step backward from here. Let's say this one. Let's go one step backward. History, phone numbers. Okay, now I can even click on this. You see we have extend subscription, transfer number. If I click on transfer number, you call your number for me. Your Fanytel account number is when you go to your profile around the side, you see your number. Then I'll just pay for you and transfer the number. You can see the cost of transfer, which is $0.99. For example, you don't have card, you don't have a virtual card, and you want something, you want a number, you can DM me through the link we have here on my YouTube channel. But ensure you subscribed, and at the comment section, in case you find one better than these two that I mentioned at the end of this video, you can go around and put it at the comment section so that other people can try. Don't forget, we have a big community where we share ideas on how to make money on Amazon. You can follow through this link and make up to $1,000 on Amazon. It's very possible, very possible. See you on the inside, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends.